But when we take analysis, you do proper analysis. You take data. And the data you're taking is Kotoko last 6 matches in the Ghana Premier League away. Kotoko last 6 matches in the Ghana Premier League away.
Akuma FA 87.9 Kumasi.
And Wadraw that is 18 points. Kotoko have 3. 15 points gone. That is the last 6 matches away. Now, fact is that Kotoko ain't pick away points. Then a mathematician bet my transfer. No first that data. No. Then you use the data. Who analyze it data new year. It will give you a certain trend. So what is the trend? The trend is that and now Kotoko where well Lusua about draw. That is the trend. Once you are able to draw that trend, it will lead you to be able to
focus.
So the focus is
87.9
Kotoko next games of Babu Bono. Kotoko next games are of Babu Bono. Okay, Biana and Yoma and Koye and Famano. Because based on the available trend, the trend that was the same is Kotoko away a resource and yet Asante Kotoko away for matches played 11. Well, we need 2. Kotoko I draw 4. And Kotoko I lose 5. Asante Kotoko has 7 goals away. And we conceded 10. So out of 11 games, Kotoko 2 wins. Asante Kotoko 2 wins.
Akuma FA 87.9 Kumasi.
When say 1 win be a 3 points. So 3 times 2 is 6. Now Kotoko I draw 4. That will give you 10. Into Kotoko out of possible 33 points away. Out of possible 33 points away. Crop Asante Kotoko Metema. One more AJ 10. And I'm drop 23 points away. This is what mathematicians so in the calculations. So that your calculation then you find the trend. What is the current trend? The current trend is that Asante Kotoko, as far as away games are concerned, they are not picking points. That is the trend that you have established now. Trend, Kotoko am picking points away.